Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on captions in Google Meet. Okay, if we are doing a call, to launch the captions, all we need to do is to go to the downside, and next to the emoji icon we can see to turn on the captions. Simply select that, and now when someone will be speaking, their voice will be converted into the texts. Same thing with our voice. Now I will unmute myself in the meeting, and you will be able to see that there will be captions. So now, as you can see, the captions appear on the screen. Of course, other people also will be able to see it if they will also enable the caption mode, this option. Alright, and that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.